Hello and welcome to the Sekisui Chemical Success Factors Learning Administrator Training video series. In this series, I will explain how to use the basic functions of Success Factors Learning Administration. This initial series is broken down into two parts. The first part explains how to create classroom training schedules in the Learning Administration module. You can then assign these schedules to learners for scheduled trainings or to notify them so that they can register for trainings themselves. You can also create questionnaires to get feedback from learners about the training once they have attended the training. The second part of the series focuses on how to create e-learning content using the Learning Administration module. This includes uploading videos and documents as content, creating quizzes, and then adding different e-learning items into catalogs and curriculums for users to access through their learning pages. In this video, you will learn how to create an item in the Learning Administration module from SuccessFactors. Items are the basic building block of any e-learning or classroom training schedule. Content, schedules, questionnaires can be added to an item to make it usable by learners for their learning. So, let's learn how to use one of the most important features of learning administration. From the home screen of SuccessFactors, scroll down to the Manage Sekisui Learning tile and click into Admin Tools. From the Learning Administration home screen, select the Learning icon from the header at the top of the screen. Make sure that you have the Items tab selected on the left side of the screen. Move your cursor over to Add New in the top right of the page and click. When adding a new item, the first thing that we have to do is define how it will be used. There are two main types of item. Items for scheduled training, which is real-world classroom training, and items for e-learning. Today, we will be creating an item for scheduled training, so go ahead and select Scheduled Only. You see that the green plus turns to a tick. You can then click OK. Now we have to fill in basic details about this item. Any necessary information is marked with a red asterisk. So first, select the type of item. In this case, classroom training. You then need to give your item an ID. Please select an ID according to your organization's ID rules. I will input an example ID, Classroom 1. Next, you need to input a title for your item. Because it will be used for scheduled training, I'll give it the title Scheduled Training Test 1. If you wish, you can input a description about the training. Next, and most importantly, we have to choose a domain for the item. Depending on the domain you select, it will prevent or allow other administrators and users from viewing this item. Please choose a domain based on the audience you wish to view the item in the future and which other organizations you want to have access to this item. If you're unsure about which domain to select, please contact your system administrator. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will choose the All domain. This means that every learning administrator around the world will be able to view the item that I am now creating. Finally, if you wish, you may adjust the displayed duration of the training. As default, it is set to 8 hours. In this case, I am going to change it to 4. Once you're done, click Save and Exit. Now the item has been created in the system. It is empty of contents and schedules, but you can update it with additional information, such as the amount of time it takes to complete the training. You can do this by clicking View All. So, there you have it. You now know how to create an item in the system and how to fill in its details. In the next video, we will learn how to create a questionnaire so that we can later attach it to our item. Thanks for watching and great job!